Waking up tired even after 8 hours? Feeling stiff in your lower back, foggy in your head, and heavy in your steps? Your posterior chain, your entire backside, has been asleep with you. Let's reawaken it, breath by breath. Let's hit the mat. Let's build the engine that carries you through the day. Your glutes. Lie on your back, feet flat, knees bent, arms by your sides. Press through your heels and lift your hips to the sky. Pause at the top, feel your glutes squeeze, then lower slowly. This movement sets your posture for the day. It realigns your spine and activates your most powerful muscle group. Here's a quick fact. Stronger glutes equals less back pain, better posture, and more stability in everything. Feel that subtle tremble? That's your body waking up. Hold the top for 5 more seconds. That just turned your glutes on. Now let's isolate each side. Now let's challenge balance, symmetry, and strength. Keep the same position, but extend your left leg straight up. Drive through your right heel, lift, squeeze, lower, repeat. Switch sides after 30 seconds. Beginners, keep your raised leg bent. Advanced switches, don't let your hips twist or drop. Control is the goal. Do you feel one side working harder than the other? That's where your body's been compensating. Push through. You've got 5 more seconds each side. That just balanced your foundation. Now let's release what we activated. Now we drop into stillness and breath. Knees wide, big toes together. Hips sink towards your heels. Arms extend forward, forehead to the mat. Let your breath deepen. Let gravity pull tension out of your back and hips. Here's something wild. Your nervous system calms faster when your forehead touches the floor. Soften for 5 more seconds. That just calmed your nervous system. Now let's open the spine. Let's reverse the fold and expand forward. Lie flat on your stomach, hands under shoulders, press into your palms, lift your chest gently. Keep elbows slightly bent, hips grounded. Feel the front body stretch and the lower back engage. Beginners, stay low in Sphinx. Advanced switches, push into a deep extension, but no pinching in the back. Can you keep your breath steady here? If not, back off slightly and reset. Hold the top for 5 more seconds. That just recharge your spine. Now we dive into the final challenge.